Hello sparklers, and welcome back to this week's Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking all about complementary colors, how to pair those accessories with particular colors in your wardrobe to look and feel your very best. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to understand complementary colors and how they work. One easy way to do this is simply going onto the internet. You can Google color wheel, and this will help you to be able to have a visual of which colors we can pair together. Today we're going to look at an example of this beautiful violet. If you pull up a color wheel, and you can do this online, you don't have to have one actually printed out. But if you look at this color wheel, color is derived by three primary colors: our yellow, our red, and our blue. Every color we have today in our color palette is derived from these colors being mixed in particular ways. So complementary colors are colors that are going to be opposite on the color wheel. So for example, we're looking at violet today, this beautiful violet shirt, and a complementary color is going to be opposite on the color wheel, which means we'll go directly up and we'll see that yellow is the complementary color to this particular color, violet. So any color that you look at, if you do that on a color wheel, it'll give you that beautiful complementary color. For example, Christmas is not by accident, girls. Red and green are exactly opposite on the color wheel. Beautiful complements to one another. So let's take a look at how a complementary color added to this violet really does make a difference in accessorizing. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do to accessorize this gorgeous violet is to add a contrasting color, which is our yellow. By putting this yellow on, you can see that the purple stands as a beautiful backdrop to really make that yellow pull forward in this outfit. And of course, girls, just so you know, Y-shaped necklaces, and you can see how this necklace creates a Y, elongates our torso, also is very good for those ladies who have a little bit bigger chest line because it does give you that natural pull to the center. So that is another great tip that you can use. Also, what we want to do is when we're using complementary colors, we want to pull them onto the wrist, just like I did with this orange, because orange and blue are complementary colors on our color scheme. So we want to pull that to the wrist so you have that nice complement moving out throughout, not only in front of the clothing, but also in our expression zones, which is our wrist. This is, we do a lot of talking with our hands, so moving the color to our hands does really make a huge difference and helps your outfit really feel complete and cohesive. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bring that yellow up. Putting the complementary color over to the face is going to lighten that face. It's going to bring that beautiful color forward and really make this outfit begin to look very cohesive and very put together. That's what makes a huge difference. And then last but not least, we are going to add a little complementary ring with that little touch of that same complementary color in the yellow. And as you can see, this outfit really does make a huge difference. You can also wear this with a solid metal, let's say a solid silver or solid gold would be beautiful because gold is still in that yellow family. But what I love about this is when we add that complementary color, it really does make an outfit pop. It really does make that outfit look very put together and very stylish. So try this one at home. Use the yellows with that beautiful purples and violets, and go online and look at the color wheel. That way you can check out any colors that you have in your wardrobe and know what is a great color that can complement that color. So I hope you have a great rest of your day and that you remember the most important thing, and that is that you, yes Ladybug, you right there, you are beautiful no matter what you wear. God bless, and we'll see you right back here next week on Tip Tuesday.